This is our what show? This is our one,
Two.
Dude.
This is our one. We got ALT, Mandalorian.
Some guy in the
We
comments
don't talk about
making me upset
Mandalorian.
today.
This is our 8th show. This is our 6th anime and our 8th show. Yeah.
There's 6
We've had ALT, Death Note, Vinland, JJK, and now Chainsaw Man. This is our 6th anime.
And I've seen Naruto, One Punch. I've seen like at least 4 or 5 others. I can't think off the top of my head.
You mean
Death
Fish?
Note. I've seen like at least 15 animes.
Well, yeah, I'm nervous for this show specifically because it had the anime effect where I remember I was playing Xbox right there and I looked over and you guys were watching it and I looked over at a really weird moment and I was like, what the heck is going on?
Dude, for
This
real.
this is way before a channel. So
yeah.
just to be clear, Jack has seen like 2 episodes of this.
No, I've seen like
Bro, why'd you
7 or 8.
He always
seen,
does
like,
this. And then me and Carter haven't seen any of it.
I've
Kay
had-
and Brig have seen all of
I've
it.
seen it, of course.
I've had somewhat of my idea of all the shows we've watched, like what's it about. This one, I have a negative clue about what the show
No,
is
yeah.
about.
All I know is I
do not
looked
know.
over.
You've heard the comparisons. It's kind of.
I've heard it's a dark.
It's like
it's
fun,
it'll
like
be pretty
JJK.
It's part of the dark trio or triad or something.
It's a lot like
that.
JJK.
I
It's like a
literally-
little. It's like a little.
bit more wild.
The only thing I
Yeah,
know
a little
is
more
unhinged.
unhinged.
Yeah, I just looked over and he was like horned up. The
But like
big
it's
dude.
super like similar to JJK. Like you'll
What?
see like
Yeah.
people's.
But yeah, this
18th
show won the
breakfast.
poll. I believe 2nd place was Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood, and then 3rd place was Haikyuu. The poll was held over. Well, it started on the Patreon, and then we did it on the Discord. So
Thanks for voting, guys.
Yeah, it was
Thanks
sick.
for voting for Chainsaw Man. I'm excited for these guys to watch it.
Yeah, a 12-episode show, short. We're gonna be doing another poll soon. So
Doesn't it sound like that 21 Pilot song? Heavy Dirty Soul. Listen. Listen to the background music, the thing.
Oh.
Right there?
yeah,
That was so random.
Like, yeah.
this is such an interesting camera.
See?
It's great for Jack. Oh.
Is this guy homeless?
He's at the Ripper Dock. Don't have a lot of money yet.
I love the animation of the show.
This is Mappa, right? I believe this is
It
Mappa.
looks like Mappa.
Yeah, it looks so much like it.
ケーキって月収6万だろこの間売った腎臓が120万 右目が
Dude! What?
金玉片方
Oh my gosh! What the?
10万もしなかったんだっけ
Bro,
Dude,
that's
he makes
that's
60. He
that's
gets
not
60,000 a
worth
month
it.
to cut down trees, and he only got 100,000 for his
金
nut.
が
Yeah, that's not worth it.
Wait, why is
悪
he?
魔を1体殺せばだいたい30万
Oh!
やっぱ
A dead devil?
一番儲かるな
Dude,
Yeah,
that
that was like
animation
orange.
is so clean.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね
My bad, guys. I
神から
spoiled
He
it.
got pointed
やっ
teeth?
といてください
Why's he got sharp teeth like that?
17万さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料
残りが7万
Oh, that
この7
sucks.
万から水道代を払ってもう残り1800円になっちゃった
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ
Okay.
正確にはあいつの死んだクソ
Oh,
親
that
父のため
sucks.
このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ
Ew.
マジっすかいただきます
Ew.
あ
Ew.
So stupid.
ーね
Smart.
これで3日は食えるねこの間聞いたんだけどさ普通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜまあ俺たちは普通なんて夢の
Oh, does he cut down trees with that dog?
死ぬまで借金をしようができしよう
I just realized that.
俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな
Yeah, this sucks,
叶う
dude.
なら女抱いてから死にてえな
いい物乞いするなり体を売るなりして明日まで70万用意しろ。じゃなきゃ
As a
お前の
kid?
死体をばらしてやる。
死ぬぞ。俺を殺すなら殺せよ。どうせ死ぬんだ。
Oh.
死にたくないなら
Oh, so they've been together for a minute.
Yeah.
Dude, just walk over to him. You make him walk?
I mean, he's a devil. He doesn't want to just run right at it.
俺の血はただじゃね
How does he turn into the chainsaw man?
え。死にたくね
I bet he eats him. You think he eats his dog? Yep.
食パンにジャム塗って落ちたと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして。
What the?
俺の母ちゃんさ、心臓の病気で血吐いて死んだんだとよ。
デンジ、悪魔が出た。仕事だぞ。
I can't believe his dream is to put jam on bread.
Oh,
Like, come on, this dude like seems like he has a lot of
夢
money.
くらい見させてほしいよ
Take him to like,
And he wants to play video games with the girl.
Yeah,
Wants
take
to-
him. Yeah, take him to get some dinner.
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか
That sucks so bad as having the worst life because your dad killed himself with the dead.
見当たらないっすけ
Mom's
ど
already dead.
どっか隠れたんすかね
Dude, this is
もし
sus.
かしてもう
Yeah, this
帰っ
is
ちゃ
a
った
setup for sure.
犬みてえに従順だし、犬みてえに安い報酬で働いてくれる。でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Oh. You stabbed him with that sword?
Oh,
way.
Caught her in the manga.
Caught her in the moment.
てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
What?
僕が望むのはデビルハンターの死。
What?
デビルハンター君、マジこい
Dude,
つ
the
ら
dog
バ
is
カ
gonna
だ。
sacrifice himself for the kid.
悪魔の
Denji.
力あげるっつったらさ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがんな。
That's the worst deal I've ever heard.
その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけどね。
Like, what?
みんな、そいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって。
Bro, who in their right mind would do this deal?
It's not like a scam, you know?
Yeah. Dude, how is he gonna freaking get out of this? Bro, tough kid to even run around with it. Stab wound through the abdomen. Oh, shoot. Is this show gonna make me sick? Oh? How's he even alive?
墓地になりたいわけじゃね
Oh!
えただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに
Well, this is not going as I thought. What
It
the
was fun.
freak?
It was
Wait, what?
a good show.
No way. He's literally just in bits in the trash?
Yeah.
ポチト仕事に行くぜ
Gosh, bro. Oh my heck.
そうしたらポチタだけが心残りだ他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれない
Cutest devil I ever seen.
so
Yeah,
cute, bro.
seriously.
Little Pochita, dude.
悪魔にも死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしいポチタにそれができるんだったら俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ
Nuh-uh. So the dog is gonna take over his body and
ヤクザも
Dude, well, is he still there or no?
そんでこの街を出て俺の夢を叶えてくれよ
Oh, he's putting it back together right now. Oh. Dude, is there gonna be anything left of the kid? That's what I was saying. Like,
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
ボス
part of the dog in him. Like, hopefully the dog is still
He's got
alive
that-
in there.
he's got that dog in him.
Oh, he's
Yeah,
literally has
He's got that dog in
ど
him.
ういうことバラバラにしても生きてんのみんなそいつ食べちゃって
So dumb to just throw him in a trap.
Yeah, they should have done that the first time. Oh, he's gonna just burst out. That sounds kind of menacing. Dude, he looks insane. Oh, he looks so crazy. Like, what the freak? Oh. Dude, he's gonna be a menace now. This is wild. Ah, dude, this show might be my worst nightmare. Oh my god. Does he like run out of gas, do you think? No. No way. The teeth are crazy.
He's
So
such a menace, bro.
デビルハンターとして雇われてるから
what a waste, bro.
悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとね
He's freaking maniacal,
He's a
dude.
menace, bro. He loves to kill.
I mean, he's gonna be free once he kills them all.
It's true.
"君、変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。
Oh. Oh, what the? It just melts off.
公安のデビルハンターなんだ。君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、
Of course. He is
人
too
として私に飼われるか。
keep you
飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
like a pet. No, what? Oh, his eye. He doesn't have an eye patch.
私はどんなの
食パンにバターとジャム。
Oh wow. He's like, I'm in.
そろそろ
That jam.
Like,
salad.
Do whatever you want.
Sick jam. That's how it ends?
That's
What the
pretty
heck?
crazy.
That was a really good pilot, though.
It's solid.
Wow. That was like just so. What a compact first episode.
Denji,
Like,
his
starts,
poor-
it goes, it ends.
This poor dog,
Darn it. I mean, hey, I believe he's in
still
there
alive.
somewhere. You think he's like actually alive? Yeah, well, he said,
Pochito's
"Show
heart.
me your dream."
I think he
Pochito's
can
heart
like
is within him.
like he's
Like,
like,
is
a
his
part. He's like a
conscious-
part of him. Yeah.
Yeah,
So it's
like-
not like it's like two separate personalities, but like
Pochito could have just
But he's
survived.
not, I don't think
drinking
he's
his
dead.
blood.
He's just his physical body.
because he did say like I want to watch your story play out.
Yeah, like he's in there somewhere. You know, he's still alive in some way. Dude, I thought the dog was gonna like take over his body and be like, it was all about the dog for a second. Yeah, same. I was like, wow. They got rid of what's his name? Denji.
Denji.
They got rid of Denji in 2 seconds,
Denji
18 minutes.
Then you go.
Yeah, for those that don't know, if you're new, gore is just my worst thing
Arch
ever.
nemesis.
Yeah, so like in Lost, like would why did I didn't okay. Well yeah, so anyways, it just makes me feel so sick. But I did okay. No, you did good. I did
But
okay.
yeah, but it's like animated gore. It's not unreal.
Dude, the first time you see it, it's not the actual thing, it's the thought of it. It's the thought of it. Like it's thinking about it is what makes it sick.
Makes you sick.
Yes.
Would you guys like an after credit scene?
Let us know if there's something like after the episode you weren't supposed to.
Dude, I love that song that he did. You know what I'm talking about? He's at the graveyard.
Yeah, I could barely hear it, but.
They got a lot.
Grenade. Tell me why.
No,
No,
yeah,
trust me,
that's
there's
it.
one, dude. Just trust me.
Dude, go back. I missed it.
Don't kill this.
Arrival in. Oh.
Fair enough. Fair enough, man.
This guy,
Wow.
dude, is angry.
Freak our only remote.
So
Hey. fixed.
What were your guys' thoughts?
That was pretty wild, and I feel like we just scratched the surface.
Yeah.
Of, like what's gonna happen? Like zombie devil, I feel like that's about as like normal of a devil as you can get. Like zombie, that's something that exists like everywhere.
What about the tomato devil?
Yeah, right. Like the tomato devil versus zombie devil. Tomatoes, like that's.
What about Pochito in general?
Yeah, like a little dog that's a chainsaw. I feel like a zombie is pretty normal. So I bet we're gonna see a lot like crazier things.
Things like picked up super quick. They just went really quick.
They did pick up quick.
Something I've noticed about anime, like first episodes, they always get you going, like get you into the main story
AOT.
really quick, dude. Yep, AOT. Still probably the craziest first episode I've ever seen in my life. To this day.
It probably will
They'll
always
like
be.
they'll like very briefly tell you who they are, what their life currently is like, why their life usually sucks, or like
normally
why, whatever, and then out of nowhere something just even
Shifts
worse
the world.
happens.
Yep.
Something crazy happens, or like in this case, he got that terrible news, but then right when he got the terrible news, little Pochita showed up.
Yeah,
Looks like-
Vinland was very tame. It's probably like the most tame
For sure.
pilot. I've
Mm,
seen.
They were warming us up for the
Yeah,
farm simulator of season
For
2.
anime.
yeah, I guess. But yeah, dude, got us into it. I don't know. 12 episodes. Like,
I feel like
what's the plot gonna be? Is it just gonna be
Well,
like?
it sounds like he's gonna join this public safety team.
Loki was cool, man.
He
Although,
was good.
yeah, Loki had a lot of
Although
hype
they-
around it.
Although they absolutely annihilated the whole universe they built for 15 years,
Yeah.
it was still good.
I little did I know that was the beginning of the end.
Yeah.
It really
Yeah,
was.
they like started way too high. They couldn't go back down.
He's like, I got the Infinity Stones, and the guy's like, oh, these are my marbles. You're like my paperweights. Wow.
Dude, and then who's in charge? They replaced all of our goated characters with schmucks, like with literally people nobody gives a frick about. Like,
Marvel's cast building was some of the greatest I've ever seen.
and then
There's like a power system in every anime.
yeah, there has to be some level. Like that girl seemed like more of the lead than the other two guys she was with, you know, and she seemed like she had a lot of knowledge about what was going on. She's like, I can tell by looking in their face.
Too.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
just
and
like,
is he gonna be like a first grade devil hunter?
the animation's super clean too. I like it. I'm
The
excited.
CGI kind of looks weird sometimes, but
Okay, hater.
I think it does well.
CGI
That's my
Hey,
brand, anime hater.
You're living up to it right now.
This freaking guy.
I'm more of an anime glazer, you know what I mean?